In today's world, it's in generative AI. So this we call modern AI, and all previous you can, in the grand terms, it's still AI, but this is the modern AI we are referring to. And or some of them like a e-business, right? If you want to do it daily, and then you have a lot of data point, 2+ years. And if you have data points every single day, you have 730 data points. And now you have, you can factor in a lot of other features because you have more data points and the causality may be a little more complex. In that case, we will recommend using machine learning or deep learning approach to do that. In essence, what we want is choosing the predictive piece of the model that minimize the predictivity error. Now, there are two types of system automatically choose that for you. So there's some of them called auto ML platforms. And for example, H2O, Amazon, Google, they all have such kind of platform you can use. And there's also the demand planning tools, right? Like us, New Horizon, we automatically choose which model to use for you. Now, many times AI, might not work very well. And in that case, you might want to override the chosen the models, right? So example, if AI choose these models, I may want to manually override that. So if it's a black box, planner tend to distrust that. So a good AI system should be able to explain what it is doing and explain why it's doing that. And I break my forecast into 4 pieces. I have a baseline of 1,000. I have 100 of trend. I'm going up. I have 150 of seasonality, and I have 350 of promotions. So that way I can explain, when somebody asks me, why is your total forecast about 1,600, right? 1,000, 100, 150, 350, 1,600. I can explain to them how much was due to baseline, how much due to trend, how much due to seasonality, how much due to promotion. And if you can explain that, that greatly improve the trust of demand planner. So in this case, it's a no-brainer. We will choose model A over model B. But if some of them are different, let's say model A has 15% accuracy, then you may think twice before, right, which you want to choose, because you want to weight all those factors in to pick a best model for the plan.